Hi, it's Malo from Pothole Avoidance here. Over the past month, once we were done for qualification, we were starting to work on more in-depth improvements since we had a lot of time before the finals. So this included working on a new upgraded Jetson mount so that we can easily remove the Jetson from the car and put it back on, as well as for the STM32. This helps us a lot whenever we're connecting some new cables or we just want to finick around with whatever's in the car. Another thing we changed was the orientation of our camera. We put the camera upside down so that the RGB sensor is on our right hand side. This enables us to see some stop signs better when we're turning right into the short lane. One of the big issues we had was with respect to odometry, so we decided to add an encoder. To do this, we had to design a mount on which to put our encoder. We had to order the right encoder, we had to solder the cables onto the encoder, and make sure this was all connected well to the motor. So we decided to make some new gear connections, which we 3D printed, to have the encoder on the left side of the car. One of the challenges was centering the encoder with respect to the magnet, and this we were able to do by having precisely 3D printed mounts. Then we needed to do some signal processing since we were reading a PWM value. This still has to be fine-tuned as we are getting some distortions in the computed speed and in the computed angle, but we're on the way to getting good. Next, with respect to the trajectory and the global planning, extensive testing was done on the simulator. This was enabled greatly in part to our new GUI. The main feature that's been added is an overlay of the simulator. So in the bottom right of our GUI, the car now renders the full track view and where it thinks it is in the simulator. To be clear, this is not just an image taken from the simulator. It's the car generating its environment around itself, and then as you can see, sometimes some cars appear, some checkpoints appear. This is where the car thinks it is.